This man visits a scrapyard to inspect an abandoned three-wheeled motorcycle and carefully examines it from every angle to see whether it can still be restored. Almost every part has become rusty after years of neglect, but despite its poor condition, he decides to buy it and give it another chance. After collecting the key from the owner, he attempts to start the engine, hoping there is still some life left in it, but nothing happens. He then loads the bike onto a small truck and transports it to his workshop, where the real restoration journey is about to begin. At the workshop, he connects an external battery to provide power and tries starting the engine again, but it still refuses to run properly. Suspecting a problem with the fuel system, he removes it for inspection and discovers that it is completely clogged and no longer functioning correctly. This is likely the main reason why the engine would not start. After thoroughly cleaning the fuel system components, he installs a new spark plug and reconnects everything temporarily. Using an external fuel supply, he starts the engine once again. This time, the engine comes to life, confirming that the machine can still be restored. Seeing the engine run again gives him the confidence to continue the project. Now the complete dismantling begins. As he takes the bike apart, years of dust and dirt become visible inside every section. After removing the rear body panels, he detaches the wheels and the remaining rear frame, leaving the engine fully exposed. Before moving any further, he cleans the engine using a suitable cleaning solution to remove grease and stubborn dirt. He then washes it thoroughly with high-pressure water, removing every trace of dust and grime. Once the engine is completely clean, he sprays it with fresh paint, giving the old and rusty surface a clean, factory-like appearance. He continues dismantling the remaining sections of the bike until every major component has been separated. The parts are carefully arranged around the workshop, and heavily worn pieces are replaced with new ones wherever necessary. With the mechanical components set aside, he shifts his attention to the outer body. Years of use have left the panels scratched, faded, and damaged. He begins by sanding the entire surface to remove the old paint and prepare it for refinishing. Once the body is smooth, he sprays the first coat of black paint, creating a fresh base for the new finish. Next, he prepares another paint mixture and sprays it over the body, creating a unique textured pattern that gives the bike a distinctive appearance. After that, he applies a fresh coat of red paint, completely transforming the faded body panels. To achieve the perfect finish, he sands the surface once more before applying another smooth coat of paint. He continues refining the finish until he is completely satisfied with the final result. Finally, he sprays a clear protective coat over the entire body, giving it a deep shine and a professional finish. With every painted part ready, it is time for reassembly. One by one, he begins fitting the dismantled components back into place. Every screw, nut, and bolt is tightened carefully as the restored and newly replaced parts come together. Gradually, the bike starts taking its original shape once again. He reinstalls the suspension, fits the new wheels and rims, and mounts the front wheel along with its remaining accessories. One by one, every mechanical component is returned to its proper position until the chassis is fully assembled. The next step is the electrical system. He carefully reconnects the wiring, ensuring every connection is secure before attaching it to the instrument cluster and the rest of the electrical components. A new headlight is installed, restoring both the appearance and functionality of the front section. After completing the electrical work, he fills the fuel tank and begins installing the freshly painted body panels. The front fairing is secured in place, followed by the instrument cluster and the rear view mirrors. With the final adjustments complete, the restored three-wheeled motorcycle is finally ready. What was once an abandoned machine covered in rust and dirt has now been transformed into a stunning custom bike through patience, skill, and dedication. The finished result proves that even a vehicle many considered beyond repair can be given a second life with the right craftsmanship. If you enjoyed watching this amazing restoration, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.